Oh, he will catch you.
Stop it! Run! Run!
Hell, mercy.
Get in the tent, buddy. Get in the tent. Get in the tent. I said, Kai, can you go outside and get me some wrapping paper?
Oh,
right?
Gosh.
I said, put it on the table.
Right.
Here is the wrapping paper that he put on the table. He literally wrapped the entire table in gift wrap. Well, at least I know he's my son, right?
Ran around Avett Park, went a little nature walk.
Yeah? Was it, hey, Reese, was it crowded?
There was the skate park had some people there.
That was a trick!